Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about many things using React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all stuff which we are doing through React 18. So today also we'll be just working with another amazing video using React 18 and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well. So in today's video, I will be telling you how to just work with JSON server and basically what is this JSON server in React 18. So I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video as well and I hope this video will be really helpful for you. So if it is helpful and if you are enjoying this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future using many different languages. So today we are working with React 18 and in this video I will be telling you about JSON server, like basically what is the JSON server, how you can work with that. And previously on we have worked with one video in which I've telling you all the things about JSON, but I'm not telling you the things about JSON server. So today in this video, I'll be telling you that. And when we were working with React.js, in that videos also I've telling you about JSON, but we have not talked about JSON server. So previously on when we were working with JavaScript and in JavaScript as well, we have covered up this JSON and I've telling you basically JSON is the Chrome backend v7. You can say the tag which we use to work with on the backend of our browser. So now we'll be seeing how to work with its server and what is its server and how we just get things on its server. So I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video as well. If you enjoy understand this JSON server video in React 18, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things, and I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well because that will be giving you help moving forward. And remember to check out my all the previous courses which I have uploaded using different languages, and I have also covered up the JavaScript series. You can check that out in which I have taken all the things from start to end, and you can check my all the starting videos of React 18 which we have covered up in which I have telling you how to create a folder using React 18, how to set up things like what text editor we should use using React 18. So I've telling all the things in the start. You can check that out if you are watching this video for the first time because that things will giving help to a beginner if they want to learn React 18 from start. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to just build this amazing project of JSON server and basically what is the JSON server from which we'll be working today in this video. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with React 18 and in this video I will be telling you basically what is JSON server and how you can work with this JSON server in React 18. So for working with JSON server, here you have to open your VS Code, and after opening your VS Code text editor, here I will be closing all the files and opening new window from here. After opening new window, you have to open your folder. So I'll be moving to desktop and this is the JSON server in React 18 folder from which we will be working in today's video. So I'll be pressing select folder to open this. You can see now I've opened this folder. You can see this folder is totally empty, not containing anything because we will be not working on this folder. I will be just opening my folder which is created on local disk E, like you all know that. So I'll be making a new window. Then I will be opening my folder which is created on local disk E. In the first React 18 video, I've created that folder and I'm working since a long time when we are working with React 18. So I was just using this folder as my input and output work. So you have to open this folder, then you have to just write the command of npm start to run your React 18 or React app. And when we are working with Next.js, so we have to write npm run dev to run our server on our browser. So now we have to just go to our main files. So these are the main files from which we will be working today, but today I will be not telling you the work doing in this file because we are working with server. So we'll be moving on to our browser, then at the back end we will be seeing all the JSON server work which we do. So I will be now pressing I will be now dragging dropping this app.css file so I can just show you these were the main files. And in the previous videos we were working on this file. So in the previous video I've telling you about React router, and when we were working with React router I've telling you about two types of React router, like at the front end and at the back end. So now you can see our React 18 app is running. So it is now telling me the command of starting the development server, and it is starting the development server on our default Microsoft Edge browser. I'll be doing it side by side because at the left we'll be getting our coding side and at the right our interface. So I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close the side panel, but before that we have to also change the title. You can see now it is showing me the tag which is saying compiled successfully, means our server is running and not having any problem. So now we have to just change our title from here because in this video we are learning about the thing which is JSON server. So I will be now writing here JSON server like this. So I will be now writing, save it. You can see now the title has been changed to JSON server. I'll be now closing this folder, and then you have to move to main public file. Like I'm telling you, we'll be not working on the front end, means we'll be not showing anything on our interface. We have to work with backend because we are working on server, and on when we are working with on server, so we have to work on the console tab which we are getting on our inspect. So you can press F12 here. On by moving to browser, you have to press F12, or you can just also press right click and you can move to inspect. Then you have to move to this arrow and you have to move to console. So we are already in console, so we don't have to just move there because I have already redirected myself to the console, so we can just not having any problem to open our console tab again and again. Now for running the JSON server commands, here you have to first of all see that what commands you can run. So if I write here the command which is saying console.count, and in count I will be writing here 1. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to press enter. You can see now it is showing me the ratio of 1. So it will be, you can also do like you can plus and minus here by using this JSON server. You can multiply your figures, you can add your figures, you can subtract your figures, you can divide your figure as well. So you can just do all the mathematical operations which a user does when he is working randomly. So this is really helpful thing JSON server is. So if I press 1 plus 1 like this, you can see now it is giving me the answer of 2. So this JSON server is really a good thing here. From this JSON server, you can use your server as your calculator as well. You can say that this is our external calculator, like that you can use. You can also just give the, it can also give you the big answer as well. If I write here 58 plus, and then if I write 69, so it will be giving you the answer of 127. You can see I'm not writing any of the tag, I'm directly writing the plus sign and then I'm writing the figures. So here you don't have to do like this. If I write here like minus, then I will be writing 25, it will be giving me the answer. So like this you can use it as your calculator and as your server as well. So this is the good server, you can say this is really helpful thing which you are getting in your JSON server here, and we are not getting anything like that in our JavaScript as well. So we are getting this thing only in JSON server. You can add your figure, subtract, and you can multiply as well. If I write multiply, we have to use this sign. You can say this hashtag sign. You can press shift and 8 to get this sign, or it is on the numlock as well. You can use that key to get this. Then if I write here 25 multiply by 5, so you'll be getting your answer. You can also divide your figures, like if I divide here 48, then I will be writing divided by 2. You can see now it is giving me the answer 24, means 2 24s are 48. You can see this, it is showing me that. So like this here you can work with this. So here I want to show you that you can just run your mathematical operations in this JSON server as well. So this is the helpful thing which you are getting in this JSON server. You can also clear your console by writing console.clear. Then you have to press this colon, and then you have to press enter. You can see now it is showing that your console was cleared, and it is saying undefined because we have defined nothing here. Now you can run your command here which is saying that console dot, then you have to write here like you can just write the text which you want to create. So I'll be writing create task. So here I will be now writing create task. After writing this create task, I'll be writing this is a task, like this. Then you have to now just press enter. You can see now it is showing me this run tag, and it is showing this run this constructor using prototype. Then using prototype, it is running your constructor. It is showing your arguments, caller, length, name of the tag here. And then if you move to prototype, you will be seeing that it has applied this function or not. So these are things we are getting in this console.create task tag here. So like this you can work with these all things. So just I want to show you that how you can work on JSON server. So these were the basic main things which we do when we are working with our JSON server. And when the beginner want to learn about JSON server and want to work with that, so he just start from beginning. And this was the beginning start which I've telling you about JSON server. It is also advanced level things you can do in this JSON server as well. Like you can just create the task as your backend work, and you can also just do all the backend things to connect your database with that or all that stuff. But that is really advanced level stuff, so I'm telling you from start. Like I've telling you how to add your figures in JSON server, how to subtract, multiply, and divide your figures in this JSON server, and then how to clear your console, how to create tasks using this JSON server. So these are all the basic things which a user need to learn when he is working with JSON server. But these all stuff like linking database, and creating your own database using JSON server, working with any backend project. So that are all the advanced level things, and I'll be telling you these all stuff here, but in the coming of future videos. So from that, from the start, you can just learn these all things here. Then you can move on to the advanced level things. So it will be really easy for you to cover up that things as well. So just I hope you understand today's video of JSON server, and I hope you understand how we can work with this JSON server using our browser, and how we are just getting this JSON server using console tag. You can press right click and then move to inspect, and then you have to press arrow and move to console, or you can directly press F12 to inspect to your browser, and you can just check that all things. So just I want to show you this thing. So if you have enjoyed this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, and remember to see all the future videos as well. But you have to just hit notification bell for that, and remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have uploaded using many different languages. I've also worked with the big videos in which I've covered up many of the things using Next.js 13, then many other languages as well, that will also giving you help moving forward. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos as well. So for today, goodbye.